My name's Sam Dawkins. I'm an interventional cardiologist from the UK, and I'm the Program Director for the PCR JAPAC Fellowship Program. The program has been developed to train the next generation of structural interventionalists in the JAPAC region. It's quite a different program from other fellowships in that it's a one-year integrated program which is only partly based at the host centres. There's other aspects as well to generate the next generation of PCR faculty and colleagues who will all be working with many years to come. The program is enrolling senior trainees from China, Japan, Australia and New Zealand. Depending on the region, there's slightly different layout of the program. For the trainees from China and Japan, they will spend 3 months in their host centre. We've got host centres in the UK, Germany and Switzerland. And when they're at the host centre, they will gain observational experience in a high volume TAVI program. The idea being to get them trained in managing complex patients, the patient journey from end to end, understanding the technicalities of the procedure, becoming very experienced at handling CT, and most importantly, getting some tips and tricks for how to build their own program when they go back home. For the trainees from Australia and New Zealand, it's a hands-on fellowship. It's a 6-month fellowship where they will spend time in the host centre learning how to do the procedure at high volume and managing the breadth of patients that we all see. The differentiator about the program is everything that happens around the fellowship. So these trainees will spend time at the PCR conferences, they will attend the fellows course, and they will get presentation experience as well. So they will become part of the PCR family and hopefully become the future PCR faculty. This is the first year of the fellowship. We'll be taking on 16 participants from China, Japan, Australia and New Zealand. The fellows are selected to be coming towards the end of their training. We want people who will be developing structural programs in their own centres. Those are the people we're looking for because we want to help them learn everything that we learned and share our experiences so that they can build a successful and sustainable program back home. What makes this program different is it's a complete package. So the fellows will spend time with us at the beginning. We have a kick-off meeting in both Beijing and Tokyo. They'll spend time in their host centres and they'll also spend time at the PCR meetings. The fellowship is designed also to work with the mentors at the host institutions. So we'll get to know them. They'll spend some time working with us and be involved in the PCR meetings during the fellowship program. It's also designed around outcomes. So one of the key outcomes we're looking at is how the program leads to them developing a program in their own country when they get back at the end, because that's a really important aspect for us.